Hi, today I want to share with you how you can share individual slides or individual lessons with your students. So this resource has 6 lessons, and if you do not want to share this entire presentation, you just want to share lesson 1, for example, this is how you do it. So lesson 1 begins on slide 4 and it ends on slide 10. So I'm going to hold down, well, first I'm going to click on slide 4, the beginning slide, hold down the shift key, and then select slide 10. So all of those slides are now highlighted. As you can see, go to File, make a copy, selected slides. And then you'll save that in your drive. Press OK. And actually, I'm going to change the title here. So I'm going to say lesson 1 so that that's clear. I'm going to press OK. So that will give me a slide of just lesson 1. And now I can share this with my students. I'll take off copy of. So now my students know this is lesson 1. So let's say, for example, we go back to our main presentation and I just want to assign my students one slide. So let's just choose, how about we choose this writing slide? And I want to just make a copy of this slide. And because slide 32 is the only slide I have highlighted, then this will be what I share with my students. So I'll say writing activity. Okay. And you could say writing activity lesson 3, be a little more specific, and press OK. So then that will go into your drive and you can share just this one slide with your students. But that's how you would assign a particular slide or a particular lesson for your students.